always need to do a really thorough pre-inspection on the carpet. We're going to look for joins that might be opening up. We're going to look for pre-existing damage on things like skirting boards. We're going to look for furniture that might leave marks on the carpet, or the damp carpet may leave stains on the furniture. Yeah, so this leg of this chair could leave a rusty mark, so we're going to put these little furniture tags on. They're sticky on one side, so when we move the furniture, it's going to stay with the furniture. These are a great idea. So we've cleaned behind the lounge, now it's time to put the furniture back. Remember, keep your back straight, don't be bending over like this. We want you to crouch right down and lift the lounge suite back like that. So keeping the back straight, remember, the furniture goes back and the tags are still in place. Now we're going to pre-spray the carpet ready for cleaning. Now this is one of the most important parts of any cleaning job. We must get the pre-spray on in the right amount, and we must get it on nice and evenly too. If we leave zigzag marks all over the place, that's not going to be good. If we miss bits on the carpet with the pre-spray, we'll end up with a shadow on the carpet afterwards. So let's start applying the pre-spray. Remember, we're going to use a nice even spray pattern. We're going to be squeezing the trigger on and off as we're going. Ooh, watch out for that one. We don't want to be spraying over the top of the hoses, or we can have a shadow mark on the carpet later on. That will give you a recall. Remember to give it a little bit extra spray on the heavy traffic areas. So around under the beds don't need much pre-spray at all, but on the walkways, yeah, you need just that little bit more. So just give it an extra bit of a spray on those walkways. Now the best way to learn to pre-spray is to actually find an area of just ordinary concrete out in the sun and pre-spray the concrete. What you want to see is a nice even pattern. So you don't want puddles of water, that can indicate that you've got too much pre-spray on, and you don't want dry patches either. So do it out in the sun, pick an area about the size of the room and practice pre-spraying with just plain water. Don't waste your detergent, just pre-spray the concrete and get that pattern right. Remember, put a line on the concrete somewhere and pre-spray up to that. You don't want to be pre-spraying up on the walls and damaging the wallpaper or the paintings or anything like that. So practice pre-spraying, getting a nice even coverage, and that's going to give you a great result. So to start our cleaning passes, check you've got pressure and you can hear the vacuum running, and we're going to start against the wall. We're going to drop that wand in nice and close, and then we're going to start our pass. We come up, make the pass, turn the trigger off, and then do a dry vacuum pass to pick up even more moisture. I'll show you what I mean. Now pushing back over gives us that second dry vacuum, and that just pulls up even more moisture, so we get a nice clean carpet, extra soil removed, and of course as dry as possible. Right, and we want good posture as we're working. Remember, keep the back straight. Don't be hunched over, we don't want that. We don't want to be working our back. When we're actually working the wand, it's a one trigger operation. With the finger on the trigger like that, we can move the wand with just one finger. So what we'll do is we'll just show you a few more passes and how it actually works. So keep your back nice and straight, relax. We don't want to see this white knuckle action going on. Relax, let your hand hang by the side. Look lazy. If you look lazy, you're probably doing it right. Just a nice relaxed stance, back straight, let the trigger fall onto the finger, and one hand operation, easy as. Let the machine do the work. Now I've got a little spot down there that we want to treat. We can shoot from the hip almost. A couple of quick vacuums to pull out the bulk of that spotter. And a couple of passes with the wand to make sure we get it all out, and then we can continue on our way. When we finish cleaning, we want to have a nice even finish to the carpet. We don't want streaks or zigzag marks or anything like that. We want to leave it as the carpet was new. Doesn't that look better? When we finish cleaning, sometimes we need to apply a little bit of deodorant, and that's just simply pump up the sprayer and apply a fine mist over the carpet. Some carpets will benefit with an application of a fabric protection. Now this is a great add-on to any carpet cleaning business. We're already there cleaning the carpet, and for a few extra dollars we can actually apply a carpet protector. Just made a few extra dollars.